Aloha everybody, it's Anna and this is my latest video from Anna's Latest. So recently, today I did a poll on my Instagram which was what video everybody would like to see, and it was between my haul and a skincare routine, and skincare routine won in the end, but I had already filmed a haul. So I just thought I would film my skincare, which is like removing my makeup, and my skincare routine for you guys. So that is really it. Please don't forget to subscribe below and click the notification bell, and that is really it. And yeah, if you want to follow my Instagram to get included in all my posts, then it'll be like right on the screen here or in the description box. It literally just says Anna's Latest, and that is it. So I will see you in the next clip. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is put up my hair, so let's do that. I just do a little, put it round twice and then do like a bun because my hair is quite long. Cute. I use Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water, and it's just the pink bottle. I used to use like the yellow one, but it gave me spots. The green one gives me spots, but this one doesn't, and I think they're all the same, so I think it's all in my head. And these are just Primark pennies or little oval cosmetic pads for your face. So that's what I do, and let's get going. So what I like to do is I put, what is all them white things? Can't see it in the video. So I get to put two together, and I put some of this poured on, well literally the full bottle, and I can understand it on, so I'm standing on a radiator. And I pat it around like this here, and I go. So also a thing I like, also just a tip, if you're someone who uses, oh my god, like literally the difference. If you're someone who uses makeup wipes, they actually just move the bacteria from like this side to this side to this side of your face. Even if you use like loads, because I just thought like, oh, if you only use one like on a little part of your face, then another one, but like what is the point, you know, when you could just get, like, you're better off investing, because actually makeup wipes are quite dear anyway. So if you want to get the good ones, unless you're someone who uses baby wipes, if you're someone who uses baby wipes, girl, you need to get your life together, because it is not pretty, it's not cute, you know. Always cleanse your neck, even if you don't put foundation on it, always cleanse your neck. So obviously I haven't took off anything other than my cheeks. Two, I know what my angle looks like from back here. Like this video if you like. So then I'll just do that again, and I won't bore you with footage of me doing that. After I use my micellar water and my face looks like poo in a bucket, I will then use my Clinique. I'm going to go get it. My Clinique liquid facial soap, and it's mild. I don't know what that is, but it's just this little bottle, and I like this on my skin, but it irritates my hand. No, but you can have everything. So I use this here after my micellar water, just to give my face like a clean, because even though micellar water is really good, but when you have a full, like if you foundation on and stuff, I think it's good to also wash your face over the sink also. So first of all, you're gonna wet your face like so. Then I put a little pea size of it on my hands. I rub it around with 3 fingers and make little motions on my chin. My chin especially is like my place where I get most of my spots, except for here. I got a new one there, which is really like strange, but like really frustrating as well. So I rub it around my skin. Oh, look at that. So we're gonna fix that, that's embarrassing. So I rub it around my face, I rub inside, don't forget about inside your nose and on your tip of your nose, and all around your face. So after that, I look like I just went swimming. So I like to, you know, like rub around my hair so that it doesn't, so it dries. And also with my face, I just pat it. My face is always so red after I wash it. I'm allergic to that there, but you know, it makes my skin feel nice, so we're gonna go with that. So also pat your face dry, don't stretch it because then you're pulling your skin, you give yourself wrinkles. Okay, so next I like to tone my face using the Garnier Skin Active Nourishing Botanical Toner, and it weighs with honey, flower, and it's 96% original, natural origin ingredients. Wow. So I also just get one of these wee pads thingies and put a little bit down on it. I tried, as you can probably tell, I tried loads of different toners from Garnier, and a lot of them give me spots except for that one. So personally, I think you need to find your one. Like, just because some Garnier toners don't really work on your skin doesn't mean that all of them won't. So I would say give everything a second chance. So then I like to rub that around, and it's quite wet on your skin, but I don't like to dry it. I like to wait a few minutes, let it settle in, close all my pores, so I can moisturize. And also don't forget your neck, tone your neck, keep your skin healthy, you know, girl. Okay, so I apologize if my setup has changed. The vet rang me about my dog and I had to talk to her. So this is the Aveeno Baby Soothing an ointment, I don't know how to say that, baby cream, and I like to put a tiny wee bit of that like this here on my skin, like so. Dot it. I really love my Clinique gel, but I lost it and I don't know where it is. So I'm filming this video today, and you know, so I like to put enough on so that I can rub it all around my hands because I have a bit of eczema on my hand. You know, so I'm gonna rub that into my skin like so, up and around my nose. This makes your skin so smooth, like really super smooth. So I love it, and you can really feel it working. Like, you know, when you just, your skin's like really just lovely. So there's some moisturizer, and I also want to point out that is the moisturizer I use in the morning time, daytime, whenever my skin is feeling a bit dry. But at night time I like to use an oil, and the oil that I use is the Skin Oil. Okay, it's not going to focus, but it is Beauty Drops moisturizer. I love this. It does make your skin, like if you're someone who, like me, who hates when like their skin is like wet, like if you have a face mask on, I hate face masks like that don't dry, and like you're, I can't even talk about it because like it's really disgusting. So it's really irritating, but I like to put this on this set like when I get into bed and I just don't think about it. Put it on, and when you wake up in the morning, your skin is like, it's glowing, it's so hydrated, it's so like just unreal. Like if you want under the skin, then just go and buy this. I'm not sure, I got this on Cult Beauty. I think it was, actually don't know how much it was, so I don't want to be wrong, so I'm not going to say anything. Another tip, so a tip for your eyes, if you have been on my channel for a while, I have went through a lot of eye creams, simple ones, Benefit ones, Clinique ones, a lot of different eye creams, and none of them have really made a difference to my eyes. I would still have dry under eyes if you're looking for something fast. So this might sound strange, but After Sun is absolutely brilliant for your under eye bags. Like, I cannot stress it enough. It is just amazing on your eyes. So this is just a Nivea one, and I literally put that was way too much, but I love this, and I like to just do this here. So I just blend it under my eye and around my chin, and I put a little bit on my eye. I'm gonna get this in my eye because I'm not looking. I really like this on my skin in general. So if you're someone it brightens up your whole under eye. It gives you like that natural glow. I remember when I had it on, and then the next morning my mum was like, do you have a highlight on already? No, maybe it was my mum. I think it was my sister who said, your skin is really glowy, and I was like, oh, thanks, it's after sun. So that makes your skin super glowy and really hydrates your under eyes. I know it sounds a bit funny, but what can you do? So that is my skin. Obviously, I don't have the most beautiful skin. I have a wee bit of a break at the minute. My skin is always red. My eye bags are always black. But that is life. You have to just live what you have. So I really hope you enjoyed the skincare routine. I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow my Instagram. And that is really it. And see you in my next video.